When a child reads a word letter by letter, pausing between every sound, the meaning often vanishes. They are identifying disconnected fragments rather than engaging with a whole word. To solve this, we use the first strategy, teaching children to connect sounds immediately. Instead of reading Kamal as separate letters, they link into a unified string. Like sugar dissolving in water, individual sounds dissolve together until auditory gaps disappear. True reading begins when mechanical pauses are eliminated and letters fuse into a single auditory event. This leads to our third strategy, maintaining a continuous vocal flow. Train children to keep their voice running smoothly, like a river, preventing any mid-word stops that break the word shape. We demonstrate this through a vocal bridging technique. Instruct the student to stretch the first sound and drag it directly into the second. For instance, stretching ga until it slides straight into la. Strategy 5 addresses a flaw in standard pedagogy. Teaching the alphabet in its traditional order often delays a child's ability to build actual words by several weeks. Instead, prioritize high-yield letters. When children learn letters appearing most frequently in common words, they immediately begin constructing language they already recognize. Let's try a quick exercise. Pause the video now and write down 4 high-yield letters in your language that can be combined to form the highest number of simple words. Prioritizing continuous flow and high-utility letters bypasses the slow process of rote memorization and moves the child directly into usable language. Strategy 6 introduces a physical anchor for pacing. Have the student slide their finger continuously under the word from left to right as they speak. This continuous hand movement helps the body and voice move forward in tandem. It provides a physical rhythm that prevents the student from stalling on individual letters. Strategy 7 is the slow then fast repetition cycle. The child decodes the word slowly at first, then immediately repeats it at a normal conversational speed to build confidence. Panel 8 warns against a common auditory error, the accidental addition of a schwa, or a sound, after a consonant. Educators must listen for this closely to ensure the student produces only the pure letter sound. We also use word chains to create cognitive shortcuts. As seen in Panel 9, these sequences change only one letter at a time. Since the core phonetic structure remains familiar, the child's brain only processes one new variable per word, making the transition between words much smoother. Combining physical momentum with these targeted patterns reduces the overall cognitive load, allowing children to process whole words faster than isolated letters. Our final strategy shifts focus toward whole word recognition. This is achieved by consistently pairing familiar words with their corresponding pictures. This visual association trains the brain to recognize the word's complete form instantly, eventually removing the need for letter-by-letter decoding. This final stage connects mechanical skill to comprehension. Reading succeeds when a student links the sounds they have produced to the actual meaning of the word. Mastering these 10 strategies provides a reliable framework for every student. When combined with regular practice and an encouraging environment, these techniques ensure a smooth path to fluent reading. Take a screenshot of the complete 10-step framework on your screen now to use as a reference for your next lesson.